having a toothache can be painful. Sometimes you don't always have the chance to get straight to the dentist to figure out what's causing your tooth to hurt. That's when some emergency toothache relief at home tactics can come to the rescue. That is why it is nice to have some remedies that will help to relieve the pain and make it more bearable until you make it to your appointment. When you have a toothache, you will feel pain around your teeth and jaw. It can be caused by several things, including infection, tooth decay, receding gums. If your pain is ongoing for more than a couple of days, you should go and get it treated as soon as possible. Till then, follow these easy home remedies for your emergency toothache relief. 1. Cold therapy. Cold therapy works especially well if the pain is due to swollen gums or an injury. You can use a cold compress or ice pack to help ease the pain. Hold the ice pack on the outside of their cheek by their painful tooth, rotating it on and off for a few minutes at a time. When you use cold therapy treatment, your blood vessels constrict and slow down the flow of your blood to your affected tooth, helping to reduce inflammation in the painful tooth. 2. Cloves. Using cloves for pain relief is a trick that has been around for years. Take a clove, put it in your mouth, hold it in the area that is affected, and just like magic, the pain is reduced. Cloves work so well because they contain a chemical compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural anesthetic and anti-inflammatory. You can use either the clove itself, or you can use clove oil. It is very strong. Make sure you only use 1 or 2 drops. 3. Salt water rinse. One of the best way you can give yourself some relief from pain is to rinse your mouth out with warm and salty water. This will help to loosen up any particles that are stuck in cavities or between your teeth, and possibly reduce inflammation and swelling. A good mix of this salt water rinse is ½ teaspoon of salt per 8 ounces of water. Swish the mixture around for about 30 seconds, and be sure to spit it out. This process can be repeated as many times as you need. 4. Garlic. Garlic has a powerful compound called allicin, an antibacterial property. It is something that has been used for a long time for medicinal purposes. Sure, it might give you some funky breath, but it'll come in handy to relieve your toothache. The process of applying the garlic to the affected area should be crushed and mixed with salt, then applied to the affected area. 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint can be a great way for you to find some emergency relief from toothache. It has a compound called menthol, which acts as an antibacterial. To make the tea, you place 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves into a pot of boiling water and let it steep for around 20 minutes. Once you let it cool down, you can swish it around your mouth and spit it out. You can also use a peppermint tea bag that is warm and damp to hold against the affected area until you feel the pain lessen. A few drops of peppermint oil on a cotton ball placed on affected tooth is another emergency toothache relief remedy. Before you should see a dentist for emergency toothache relief, these remedies provide you quick but temporary relief, but not a permanent fix for your toothache. If your toothache is lasting for more than a day or 2, seek treatment from a dentist.